Okay, let's go to the Atlantic here, and we have this new tropical storm up to the north. We're not going to really say anything about that. 45-mile-an-hour winds moving off to die here pretty soon. It's not going to last very long. Down here, this is a little more complicated, but generally good news based on what we know, at least for the next several days. This 80% one, we're going to see if they continue with those high odds, because there's just a lot of dry air for it to deal with. There's Cristobal, by the way. Really nothing going on with that system. All right, let's take a look at these two down here. This one, you can see it barely has any thunderstorms with it, but it has a decent circulation. It doesn't have thunderstorms because there's so much dust. It's just sucking the moisture out of the air. This one has a little more moisture to deal with, but you see the thunderstorms and the center are not at all aligned. Here you can see the dust. Look at it up here. See, if we draw a line right across there, you can see that there aren't any bright white clouds up there because they're all embedded in the dry air and dust. Everything is down to the south. So now, let's go forward in time here with the model. There you see the moisture again. Here, well, look at it. It's just cut off right there. And it's all kind of just barely a little moisture up in here, but all this dry air, all the brown is dry air. So both of these systems are going to deal with this, but the back one actually is going to go a little south, so that might have a little better chance. So here is the front one. This is the one they have 80% on. This is the European model. You notice it comes to the islands on Saturday just as a wave. So this is going to have gusty winds. This is going to have some good downpours, hopefully very beneficial rain, especially for the southern part of the island of Puerto Rico and also to some degree the eastern part. They really need it, and hopefully it just won't be too bad and they'll get some moisture there over the weekend. This one is farther south. There are more questions about what happens to this one in the long term. The consensus of the models here, if you watch, you'll see there's a cluster and a cluster, right? Okay, here we go. Forward in time, there the one that goes into the Caribbean just dies out, and the second one begins to lift a little bit north. Now, when you look at all these, you count these up, there are like 150 possible L's. And so you have a fairly small percentage, let's say 30% or so of them show developed systems here. So this is not a slam dunk at all. There are strong upper level winds, there's all this dust and so forth, but it does want to lift this generally a little farther to the north. And if it survives, then we'll have to watch it for Bermuda. We don't see any threat to the continental U.S. from this, but we'll see. Anyway, maybe a little more moisture in the Northeast Caribbean, because these would be the weaker ones over here. If it's stronger, it's more likely over here. So a lot going on. We think that the news is good out of the Caribbean, at least with the first system, based on everything we know right now. But in Hawaii, this is a very concerning thing, because even if it were to come ashore as a 70-mile-an-hour tropical storm, on the mountains, the winds would be stronger. The rain, of course, is stronger up the hill. All that water has to come down the hill. And you have this tremendous surf coming in and so forth. So it's just, all of the conditions when a tropical system interacts with the mountains. There are some areas that really take it hard. Other areas, maybe on the Kona side of the Big Island, that's the west side, depending on exactly the track, they might not get much, but it's just the track is too uncertain to really pin down who is going to feel the most of it at this point.